We want to keep the Netherlands dry, which means that when water comes into the area that's supposed to be land, we need to get it out. Now, there's a lot of factors that affect how quickly water can enter here. What I want to know is, if I can know how quickly water is entering this area over here, how many windmills will I need to pump it back out? And that is a matter of figuring out exactly how much one windmill can do. So each of these windmills has access to about, 1,000 watts of wind power. Of that 1,000 watts, a lot of it is lost to friction. In fact, 400 watts is lost as this rotates, as the water sloshes along in here. There's many sources of friction here. If we say the average dike is about 6 meters high, I want to know how much water can each of these windmills move from down here all the way up to here in one day. This is a tricky problem, but try your best and enter your answer here in kilograms. Remember, you can always go to the forums if you need help.